Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you one zone water timer with gateway. You can use this for the yard, garden, vegetable land. We have 6 steps to set up. This is very easy. These are some of the specifications. Let me go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. There you go. Here is the meter. One button. Water comes from here and goes from there. Let's check the back part. We're gonna put the batteries here. Here we have one Teflon tape and spare filter. Let's check the gateway. Oh, look at this. User manual and quick start guide. Here is the power cable for the smart hub. We're gonna put it right there and plug it into the power source. Let me go ahead and plug it in and see. Now it works, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the application on my phone and come back. Let's go ahead and add the device, and you're gonna find the smart hub right here and allow. I'm gonna put the password for Wi-Fi. And you need to go to HTV 157B right here. And ready for pairing. We're gonna go ahead and press and hold. And it's gonna be ready for pairing. Alrighty. Next. Play. Now it's registered. We are in. We have a plan, manual, event, plan, rain delay, seasonal adjustment, manual, normal irrigation, cycle soak, misting irrigation, events. There is nothing since I just installed it. Let's go back. And I can go ahead and add another device for the smart hub. It's right there. I can go ahead and add both of them. Let's put the passwords. I put the password. Next. Now it's being added. Just wait all of it. Yes, it's ready. What about this? We're gonna connect it via gateway. Because we have the smart hub, now it's being added. Both of them are blue. That means we are successful. Both of the devices are being added. Right. That's it. Alrighty, we're done with the installation. Either you can do it manually, let's stop it. Now stopped. Or you can use the application. Let's go ahead and try manual, normal irrigation, and I'm gonna do 1 minute. Let's start. Whenever we're gonna stop it, you're just gonna press right there, confirm, and it's gonna stop. Or we have the plan. You can do the rain delay, 24 hours, seasonal adjustment. Let's go back. In manual, we did the normal irrigation, cycle soak. You can use other types of manual, cycle soak, misting irrigation. And here are the events. These are what I used. I can definitely suggest this water timer with gateway. You can either use it over here or internet connection. There are so many options you can use. Definitely suggest it. How about cycle and soak? each watering, soak after watering, estimated total schedule 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and try that one. After 5 minutes, it's gonna rest. Let's go back. And how about misting irrigation? Let's see. One time 10 seconds, interval 30 seconds. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. Let's try.